Hello viewers, so welcome back to my channel and I wish you a very Merry Christmas in advance. So today's video will be a Christmas special episode again and it will be dedicated to our father Santa. So without any further ado, let's jump right into our today's acrylic painting tutorial. So I'm using a canvas pad today for my painting and I'll be preparing the background first with all the colors that I have already mentioned. And the background will be that of a night sky. After dabbing all the colors on the canvas, I will now be blending it with the help of this brush. Please notice that I am using a white flat brush for the process. And this time I am going to apply a very thick coat of the paint. I have recently realized that applying a thicker coat of acrylic colors gives a better finish, especially if you are working on canvas, because it helps to cover up all the dents on the canvas, especially if the canvas is a rough one and has a tooth texture. The canvas pad that I am using here is already primed, so I haven't used gesso again, but if you want a smoother texture, you can apply 2 to 3 coats of gesso, which will help to smoothen the tooth texture and in smooth application of colors, and also you can work on the details really well. So anyways, my plan today is to finish the background first and then move on to the subject later, which has the maximum detail. So I will take the maximum time to work on that white area which I am not working on right now. As already mentioned, I am doing a night sky today, so I will be applying some black colors at the corners and sides of the painting. So please stay with me to see the complete transformation and enjoy the process. After removing the masking tape, I will work on the details now. Please notice that here I am working on a dreamy painting. So I'll be painting the moon really dreamy with beautiful shades of mauve and purple and light blue. And as I already said, there are too many details to work on in this particular patch. So I'll take a lot of time to do this. So please bear with me and paint along, and I'm sure you are gonna enjoy watching. And yes, I want to mention a very important thing here, that I'm using Mont Mate colors for today's painting, which comes with too many ready-made shades. So I'm using shades like purple and mauve and phthalo blue for doing the details. But if you don't have Mont Mate colors and you are working with a basic acrylic color, then of course you can make the same colors using blue, red and white. Now let's talk a bit about Santa Claus himself. So Santa Claus is a legendary figure who is the traditional patron of Christmas in the United States and other countries. So Santa Claus, who is also known as Father Christmas, Saint Nicholas, Saint Nick, Kris Kringle, or simply Santa, is a legendary character originating in Western Christian culture who is said to bring children gifts during the late evening and overnight hours on Christmas Eve of toys and candy or coal or just nothing, depending on whether they are naughty or nice. So Santa Claus is said to live at the North Pole with his wife, where he spends the year making toys with the help of his elves. There he receives letters from children asking for Christmas gifts, and on Christmas Eve he loads his sleigh with toys and flies around the world drawn by reindeer, stopping at each child's house, slides down the chimney and leaves the gifts, refreshing himself with the milk and cookies left for him by the household's children. So today he is thought of mainly as the jolly man in red who brings toys to good girls and boys on Christmas Eve. So what do you think of today's tutorial video? I hope you liked it, and if you really did, then please do consider giving it a like, or if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel to stay updated about all the videos that I upload on my channel, and I can assure you that you won't regret your decision of subscribing to my channel, provided that you are a hobby artist and want to learn painting and enjoy your art journey just like I do. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching my video. We'll see you again in my next video. Till then, keep painting and keep enjoying your art journey. Have a very safe Christmas ahead. Bye-bye.